Hey, welcome back to Crack's Country Cooking. Today, we're making Strombolis with this. First thing you're going to need is 180 milliliters of water. Okay, to that, you need
brown sugar.
Yep, grab the brown sugar.
Pour it in the water.
Yep, 13 grams of brown sugar. You're going to need to stir that. So, us being who we are, we didn't have that ready. So stir that in. Now, grab the yeast. You're going to need 7 grams of yeast. Yep. Okay, now stir that in. We gotta let this sit for 10 minutes. What's it gonna do?
It's gonna rise.
Right, it's gonna bloom.
Yes, bloom.
So we'll see you
in 20 minutes.
10 minutes, Sam.
10 minutes.
While the yeast blooms, we can get the dough and stuff ready. So we need 250 grams of 00 flour. All right. I use King Arthur. All my flour. All right, Sammy. Next.
We need to add this in.
Yeah, so add in
the Italian seasoning.
5 grams of Italian seasoning. Next, we need, what's that? Salt. 10 grams of salt.
And then
4 grams of garlic.
Granulated
garlic, yep.
Okay.
And then we give that a mix.
Yep.
And we can just do this.
Mix all of them.
Now we wait on the yeast. The yeast is done blooming. Now we'll pour it in. Sam. Yep. Fast. Now, turn the mixer on. And start mixing.
Will this work?
A little sticky, but it'll work. Now we gotta put some flour on the work surface.
So then the dough doesn't stick to it.
Right, because it's really sticky.
We don't want it to ruin the cutting board.
Well, you just don't want it to ruin the dough.
Yeah. Can ruin both.
Yeah, so now I'm just gonna put the flour on all sides.
And we knead it.
Yep, knead it by hand. Back on there. So we just keep going like this. It smells awesome. Alright, roll them sleeves up. I'm putting you to work.
Doesn't want to get...
Take your both hands. Yeah, like that. You gotta do it over here so that you can see you on the camera. Yeah.
It's hard.
Yeah.
Because
So
it's sticky.
you take the edge, pull, and then push the two together. Then you turn it. See, that's all I'm doing.
Yeah. It's hard because it's bigger than my hands.
Yeah. You do it in either up high where they can see it or down here where they can see it. Doing a good job.
It's hard.
Yeah.
It's
All right.
so sticky. It's super sticky.
All right. So what we'll do is we'll get this. It looks good though. It's a nice looking ball of dough. See how smooth it is now? So now we will place the dough into a grease container for about an hour and a half, let it rise, then we'll construct a stromboli. Alright, it's been an hour and a half. Now it's time to get the dough, put it on a work surface. What I do is I put the dough in a container with olive oil in it. I had the oven set to 110 degrees, shut it off just so it's warm in there. There we have it. So then you just punch out the dough. I'm gonna put a little bit of flour on a work surface here.
My little ball stayed.
Yeah.
Alright.
So that's.
Like making.
It smells really good.
Like when we made those rolls.
Yep.
It does smell good.
Now we gotta work this into a square.
Get the toppings ready.
Yep, now we will get the Italian meats. Here's our delicious platter of cheese and meat. First thing I'm gonna do is take some provolone, set that down. Pepperoni. The pepperoni. Now we'll take some capicola. Then we will take some of this sopasata, something like that.
Yeah, it sounds hard to say.
It is hard to say. Next, we'll put on our prosciutto. Next, mozzarella. And then we'll top that off with some more provolone. Okay, for the next step, we got to make it so we have a webbing. So I come down to the end, I fishtail it, and then you try to make even. So we want to go about here. Just leave a slight, just so you have an idea. So you want to do this. fishtail that at the end. Now the next step is to take this, you stretch it out. Well, first you got to put this on. Pinch it in. Then you got to stretch this out like this. Like this. Do every other one. Now we gotta put an egg wash on it, some sesame seeds. All right, now we'll put it in a 400-degree oven for about 25 minutes. We'll check on it after 15 minutes, make sure it's going good, and we'll rotate it in the oven. While the stromboli cooks, we need to make a sauce. It's just a can of crushed tomatoes. I put some basil in there, just some Italian seasoning. And don't hate me, but a tablespoon of brown sugar too. I want more of a marinara for the stromboli. And then just heat that over low heat, adjust the salt level if we have to, while we wait for the stromboli to finish. Now it's time to cut into it and see what she looks like. That is a thing of beauty right there. Mm-hmm. Can't wait to try that. Let's try some of this now. You excited? Mm-hmm. Looks so good. Mm-hmm. All right, ready? Dip, dip, dip. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Mm.
Really good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nothing like some homemade dough.
Mm-hmm. It's hot though.
It's very hot. Well, that's it. Made our own pizza dough, filled with Italian meats, some cheeses. We laced it, put an egg wash on top and some sesame seeds. So, you know the drill. If you like this video,
Like and subscribe.
hit the like and subscribe button. We got other videos coming out. We have past videos. You can visit us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all the channels. It's dinner time. You hungry? Mm-hmm. It's really good. Thanks. See ya.
Bye.